Hello traders. In this video, we are looking at the Renko Street Trend Indicator for MT4. This system style indicator brings Renko logic into the MetaTrader 4 environment and presents a visual view of trends, reversals, and momentum shifts using Renko inspired tools. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember, I want to allow DLL imports, and there we have it. The Renko Street Trend Indicator typically plots its components directly under the price charts in its own sub-window using color-coded trend filters, signal arrows, and sometimes support and resistance levels. A colored trend filter band beneath price shows whether the current environment is bullish or bearish, often with green shading for uptrends and red shading for downtrends, giving an at a glance view of market direction. You ready to see how it looks? As for the indicator settings, let's take a look at what we have at the inputs. Right, so we have just one customizable setting here. We can also choose our preferred colors so it stands out properly with our existing MT4 chart theme, and we can trade on our preferred time frames as well. All right, so who's this indicator for? The Renko Street Trend Indicator is suited to traders who want to reduce noise and focus on clever trend and momentum moves, whether scalping, day trading, or swing trading. It is a visual and analytical system only. It does not execute trades, and its signals should be combined with proper risk management and, ideally, additional confirmation such as higher time frame context. Like most trend following tools, it can lag at turning points, perform poorly in ranging markets, and requires careful tuning of box size and sensitivity to avoid excessive whipsaws. The download link is in the description below. You can view the full overview of the Renko Street Trend Indicator and its components at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you stay updated with future educational videos.